Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, wherever you may be, good afternoon. Alright, so our first question came in to the first WAEC 2025 review, and here is a quick look through it. So this is a summary of the question. This is our given sets. We have the universal set, and then we have P and Q, which are the subsets. Now herein are the questions. Find the following: P intersection Q prime, P prime union Q, and then P union Q all prime. So the first thing to do as a serious student is please write out your elements of each of the set. Write out the elements of each set. It will help you solve and work faster. So as you can see from the beginning, I listed out all the sets, all the elements of the universal and then the subsets P and Q. And then the first question asks us for P intersection Q prime. P intersection Q prime, and Q prime is gotten from universal set minus the set Q. That is, what are the things you can find in the universal set but you can't find them in set Q? That is what makes up Q prime, right? So the list of the things that make up Q prime, we have 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, and 18. Now the main question says we should find the set P intersection Q prime. P intersection Q prime says, what are the things you find in common? What are the things that the set P and the set Q prime have in common? What are the things that they have in common? And so we have 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. And that becomes our answer. QED. Quite easily done. Now the next one says P prime union Q. So just as we did for Q prime, try and be sure. Try and confirm. Make sure you are confirming. Don't just accept what is written. Make sure you are confirming. Find out the things that are in the universal set but are not in the set P, so that you get your own P prime. And then we do P prime union Q. Union talks about union. Yes, union, unity, unite. So when we are talking about the union of two sets, it means marry the two sets together. Marry the two sets together. So join the elements of the two sets together without any repetition. Without any repetition. Do not repeat any element that comes twice. So if you find 3 in the set P and find 3 in the set Q, you don't need to write 3 in two places. Just pick one and move on. The two shall become one. You get it? All right. Then we have this as our answer. P prime union Q gives us 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, and 19. And our last one says P union Q prime. So first of all, we find P union Q as the marriage of the set P and the set Q, which gave us 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, and 19. Then what's next? We find P union Q prime. So what are the things that are in the universal set that are not in P union Q? And it gave us 4, 8, 10, 14, and 16. And herein is 8 whole marks. WAEC standard 8 whole marks for just this. So please learn set theory, learn the elements, learn the complement and the operations on set theory. That's freely given. That's some marks freely given. All right, we will see again tomorrow with another question for us to try out, and then with another solution by the end of the day. Thank you so much. Oh, don't forget, it is UD dy dx, UD dy dx, UD dy dx. Yes.